You've poured your heart into your garden, only to find it's become a midnight buffet for pests.
So I've been using this spray, but the pests keep coming back.
Have you tried neem oil? It's a more systemic solution that can be very effective.
Most people panic and grab pesticides, thinking they're the only hope. But what if I told you the chemicals you trust are actually feeding a cycle that makes things worse? And hidden right in your kitchen are natural solutions that not only stop pests, but protect your plants better than any toxic spray. The problem is, most gardeners don't discover this until it's too late. Garden pests don't just steal your harvest, they stress the plants, stunt growth, and invite disease. From aphids that drain the sap, to caterpillars that chew through tender leaves, to beetles that leave behind skeletons of once thriving greens. And every gardener's nightmare, watching a single infestation wipe out weeks of work overnight. The pesticide aisle promises quick fixes, but at what cost? Here's the trap. Commercial pesticides don't just kill pests. They disrupt pollinators, weaken soil life, and in many cases, leave chemical residues on your food. And the cruelest twist: pests adapt. Over time, they come back stronger, hungrier, and harder to control. So while you think you're protecting your garden, you're actually feeding a cycle that ensures you'll be buying more and more chemicals every season. Which begs the question, what if the most powerful weapon isn't on the store shelf at all? What if the solution was simple enough to mix in your own kitchen? What if, instead of poisoning your soil, you could strengthen your plants and protect your family at the same time? For centuries, before chemical companies ever existed, gardeners had their own arsenal. Natural sprays and remedies passed down through generations. And unlike harsh pesticides, they don't just kill pests. They keep your garden ecosystem alive. But the most surprising part: they're dirt cheap. Here it is, the truth most gardeners overlook. You don't need toxins. You need nature's own defenses. A simple spray made from ingredients you already have, like garlic, neem oil, vinegar, or even a mild soap, can wipe out aphids, beetles, and caterpillars in days. Garlic and chili repel chewing insects. Neem oil interrupts pests' life cycles. Vinegar burns soft-bodied invaders like slugs. And a basic soap and water spray suffocates pests without harming your plants. The exact ingredients vary, but the principle is the same. Natural solutions hit pests hard, while keeping your soil, pollinators, and food safe. The results: healthier plants, greener leaves, stronger harvests, and peace of mind knowing your food is safe for your family. Imagine walking into your garden, no chemical smells, no fear of residues, just the clean scent of thriving plants. All because you replaced one dangerous habit with a simple, natural alternative. 5 essentials: garlic, chili, neem, vinegar, and soap can give you back control. So tell me, will you keep reaching for toxic pesticides, or will you try the natural sprays already waiting in your home? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let me know which pests give you the most trouble. Don't forget to subscribe, because in my next video, I'll reveal the one garden myth that silently ruins harvests season after season. Most gardeners don't even realize they're doing it, until it's too late.